Thank you for watching ASEANS, where culture meets creativity. Subscribe now and join our journey of handmade elegance.
Welcome to the embroidery class with Asya. Here we have the materials needed for the stitch. Embroidery hook, needles, piece of fabric, colorful threads, carbon paper. We will take an 18-inch thread and tie a knot. Now we will fix the fabric in the hook so that it does not move. Next, we will draw the desired design in the center of the fabric. We will use red color thread so the design stands out clearly. Bring the needle up at the left side of the top line point 1. Insert the needle at the right side of the bottom. Insert the needle at the right side of the bottom line point 2 and bring it up a short distance to the left on the same bottom line point 3. Now insert the needle at the left side of the top line point 4 and bring it up a short distance to the right on the same top line point 5. Repeat this criss-cross stitch alternating between the top and bottom lines. Continue until the design is complete, then secure the thread at the back with a knot.
We began by teaching skills in Pashto and Urdu, and now we're excited to teach in English too, with subtitles in your language. Anyone can learn. Now we're also teaching advanced level fashion designing in English. And for your love, we created ASEANS, a unique, customizable brand just for you. Follow us, stitch with us, and create with us. ASEANS, where culture meets creativity.